welcome back. Today we're going to be doing two lessons. So page titles and the one after. So what kind of metadata about the web page can the head element contain? If you navigate to Codecademy catalog, for those right here, it says full catalog right here. You'll notice the words all courses and tutorials. Okay, up top right here. I don't think you guys can see it, but it's up here. So you'll notice, yep, it says exactly that. And then which is the title of the web page. Web browsers tab displays the title specified in the title tag. The title tag is always inside of the head. Now, if you were to open a file containing the HTML code in the example above, the browser would display the words My Coding Journal in the title bar or in the tab's title. So essentially the title is basically the name that gets displayed on the tab of your browser. So add brown bears as the title of your web page by using the HTML, the title element. Unfortunately, you won't be able to see the title in the smaller browser right now. We'll show you what it would look like in the next exercise. All right, perfect. So right here, go ahead and put title. And then it said to put in brown bears. So that's going to be the title tag. And voila. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to the next lesson as well, which is where does the title appear? Now, unfortunately, the browser panel used by Codecademy environment does not have a title bar. So the brown bear title you wrote in the previous exercise will not be displayed outside of the Codecademy environment. However, your title would appear as depicted in the diagram to the right. Right here, so the site title would be this essentially. So far, we have learned about the declaration doc type HTML, specifying the version of the HTML for the browser, the HTML tags to enclose all of your HTML code, the head tag that contains the metadata of a web page, such as title. Next, we'll learn essentially the new types of elements that go inside the body. So until then, I'll see you guys in the next one and have a great day.